Use a tool to remove the air conditioner panel. Note, the plug on the back of the panel needs to be unplugged. Screw out the 2 screws on the center console. Remove the trim panel under the center console. Remove the panel of the center console. It is also necessary to unplug the plug back of the panel. Unscrew the screws on the head unit. Unscrew the 2 screws on the screen. Take out the head unit. Take out the screen. Unplug the video cable behind the screen. Unplug the 48-pin main line on the back of the head unit. Take out the Carplay product. There is a dialing table on the module, and before installation, change the module dialing code according to the original car screen size according to the dialing table. Connect Carplay's Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna to the box. Take out Carplay's LVDS in cable and LVDS out cable. Connect Carplay's LVDS in cable with the video cable of the original car screen. Leave the Carplay's LVDS out cable out the original car screen. And connect the LVDS out cable to the original car screen. Lead Carplay's LVDS in cable and LVDS out cable into the central control. Lead Carplay's LVDS cable from the center console to the cab floor. Take out Carplay's 48-pin main line and connect it with the original car main line. Connect the other end of the Carplay main line to the original car head unit. The Carplay main line is also led from the center console to the cab floor. You can restore the head unit. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable and main line to the box. Connect Carplay's USB cable to the box. Carplay's wiring harness can be sorted out with tape. The Carplay module can be placed in the cab floor space. Enter the media interface in the original vehicle system and select AUX. Long press the menu button to switch the Carplay system. Enter the Bluetooth interface to view Carplay's Bluetooth name and other information. Enter the phone settings interface and turn on Bluetooth. Search for and connect to Carplay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the pop-up message on your phone, click Pair, Allow. Click to use Carplay, connect successfully and enjoy wireless Carplay. After connecting for the first time, the phone will automatically connect to Carplay when it is close to the vehicle in the future. Carplay is using 5G wireless transmission speed, extremely fast operation experience.
音量加减，是面板音量加减。支持方向盘切割。切割。上一层。再下一层。这是语音的。打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
然后再可以挂断。旋钮操作。
Support original car knob control CarPlay.
摆脱高德路。
回忆就像微波渡过间，只留在我地上的信件。你有离开我的多种权限，我却无法解除和你的关联。
为您提供详细导航播报。
If the mobile phone is connected to CarPlay, you need to disconnect and turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the mobile phone settings interface. In the CarPlay system, enter the mirroring interface and turn on Wi-Fi on the phone. Search and connect to CarPlay's Wi-Fi. After the connection is successful, pull down the shortcut menu on the phone, open screen mirroring, and connect to mirroring. If you connect successfully, you can enjoy the wireless screen projection function. Stable transmission with zero latency.
对。我每一个拍整个都拍那边都。
If you need to access screencasting, drop down the shortcut menu on the phone to enter the screen mirroring, and click Stop Screencasting. Turn on Bluetooth on the phone settings interface and CarPlay will be automatically reconnected.